Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today met briefly with Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung, with whom he's been locked in an ugly confrontation. The visit, ironically, was a courtesy call ahead of the Delhi Assembly's two-day emergency session called to limit the Lieutenant Governor's powers over key administrative matters, a special Assembly session that began with high drama.
A courtesy call by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on the capital's LG Najib Jung. Ironically followed by a two-day emergency session called to limit the very same Lieutenant Governor's powers over key administrative matters.
That is, notification be treated null and void by the government.
Bolstered by a High Court ruling in AAP's favour, the Deputy Chief Minister moved a resolution declaring a Home Ministry's notification issued last week aimed at limiting the CM's powers as null and void.
To decide this confusion over the powers, or to decide once and for all that what powers does Delhi Assembly have, what power does Honorable LG have. Only constitutional amendment can take away constitutionally guaranteed rights to Delhi Assembly.
Earlier, another AAP MLA, Adarsh Shastri, suggested that amendments be made in the constitution to give the Assembly the power to impeach the LG.
Where clearly the rule, the permission to impeach the President of India under section 155 and 156 of the Constitution lies with the Parliament. The Sarkaria Commission has ruled clearly that similar powers should be vested in various state legislatures where they feel that the governor or lieutenant governor is unable to discharge his duties.
But the day was not without its share of drama too. BJP MLA O.P. Sharma was marched out of the assembly by marshals after he used unparliamentary language undermining the speaker, going to the extent of asking him to step down from his chair.
मेरा उनसे ये निवेदन था कि आप स्पीकर हैं, आप मेंबर नहीं हैं, आप स्पीकर का धर्म निभाएं, अगर मेंबर का काम आपने करना है तो नीचे आके बैठिए.
With Sonal Mehrotra in New Delhi, Soumya Menon, NDTV.